Today, I'm going to walk you through how to customize your dashboard on Advantech's WebAccess DMP platform. I will show you how to resize and reposition your widgets. Again, my name is Michelle Holdeman, and I am an application engineer here at Advantech, so let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to reposition one of your widgets. When I first log in, you can see my company's stat widgets, which are devices, offline, online, synced, and data usage, are on different rows. So I would like to put them all in one row. So I'm going to go to the top right hand corner and click on the Edit View button. When I do that, I will go to the widget I would like to reposition. As you can see, that is a 4-pointed arrow. I'm going to click on the widget and now I'm able to move it. Then I'm just going to release my mouse and drop it there. Then I'm going to move the other widgets over and drag that because I didn't move it far enough. Just got to play around with it a little. Sometimes it might jump a bit on you. But now that I have them all in one row, I'm going to click the Save button. As you can see by the green box, it was successful. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you how to resize a widget on my dashboard. If you haven't noticed already, my data usage widget is 2 times the height of the rest of the company stats. While this might not bother some, I do not find it aesthetically pleasing, so let's get that fixed. So again, let's click on the top right Edit View button. When I do that, then I will move over to the widget I would like to resize, in this case again the data usage. Now when you're repositioning, you'll get that 4-pointed arrow. Now that I would like to resize, I will just get that 2-pointed, which is also noted by the resize tooltip. So I'm going to drag that up so it is the same size as the rest of the company stats. Then I'm going to click Save. And as you can see, my save was successful by the green pop-up box. I hope you have found this video informative. If so, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see upcoming videos. Thank you and make it a great day.